What's up guys? Welcome back with another brand new video. Today I've got an earbuds that's a bit different. It's open ear, super comfortable, and easy to wear for long hours. This is the Sanag Z50 Ultra. It's Sanag's latest open ear earbuds. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight earbuds with good sound quality, then today's video is definitely for you. And yes, the product purchase link is available in the description box and pinned comment below, so you can easily grab the original product from there. So let's quickly unbox it. The box design is compact, smart, and professional. On the top, the branding of the earbuds is nicely done. Inside the box, the first thing we get is this very cute, unique colored earbuds. This color is called Dark Moon Beige. Along with that, we get some basic documentation, a VIP card, and for charging, there's a USB Type-C charging cable. Overall, the packaging feels simple but clean, and it definitely gives a premium product vibe. The moment you hold the device in your hand, the first thing you'll notice is its premium build quality. Even though the body is made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap at all. The finishing is clean, minimal, and feels quite solid. This earbuds is available in 3 different colors, but personally, I really like this Dark Moon Beige color. The biggest highlight of this earbuds is its open ear clip-on design. It features the 2nd gen Cloud Flex Titanium C-Bridge, which makes it extremely lightweight. Each earbud weighs only 4.5 grams. So even after long listening sessions, you won't feel any pain or pressure in your ears. Now let's talk about sound quality. Sanag has added a dual-layer panoramic soundstage here, which means the sound feels more surrounding and immersive. The company calls it an IMAX-like audio experience. And honestly, for casual listening, the sound feels well-balanced and premium. Many people worry about sound leakage with open-ear earbuds, but here, Sanag has included a 15-degree acoustic privacy angle. The sound is directed straight into your ear canal, so only you can hear it, while people around you won't notice anything. This device is designed and powered by the Health Ear algorithm, which helps keep listening comfortable even for long hours, without making it feel tiring or annoying. For calls, it comes with an AI noise-canceling chip. Even on busy roads or in noisy environments, your voice remains crystal clear. And when it comes to battery life, you get up to 40 hours of total battery backup. So once you charge it, you're basically tension-free for a long time, and no constant battery worries. So, overall, I'd say the Sanag Z50 Ultra is an all-rounder earbuds within a budget. If you want a comfortable, stylish earbuds that's perfect for daily use, the Sanag Z50 Ultra is a solid choice. This product purchase link is available in the description box and pinned comment below, so you can easily grab the original product from there. And yes, if you purchase using my link, you'll also get a discount. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.